Welcome back to the Normalized 2012 YouTube channel. I just want to come on and show you this wash and go that I did last month before I started the Protective Style Challenge. These were products that I was gifted. I always wanted to try the curl maker and the curl milk product by Camille Rose to do a wash and go, but I never wanted to buy it because of the price, and I didn't want to buy something that wouldn't work for my hair. So I was gifted this. So I was just washing out the deep conditioner out of my hair, and then I start applying the product. I do two coats of the product. So I would put the curl milk on my hair, and then I would put the curl maker. In the curl milk, it do smell like milk. Actually, it has like some kind of like a almond milk kind of smell to it. And then the curl maker product, it has like a mild, like alcohol kind of smell to it, even though alcohol is not in the product. So I just want y'all to enjoy watching this video as I do this wash and go. And I am doing this in the shower because a wash and go is, you're washing your hair and you're going. I do finish my hair outside of the shower because I didn't have a mirror. But for the most part, wash and go should be done in the shower with dripping wet water. If you're doing the wash and go, if you're calling your hairstyle a wash and go after you wash your hair and then you get out of the shower and then you put all the products on your hair, then that is a washing style, just so you know. But anywho, just go ahead and enjoy watching this video, and I will see you in a sec. So you will see me put on both products multiple times because the products were so light, and I wanted to make sure that I was able to get a good hold on my hair. So I'm just gonna do a few touch-ups. My hair is very like way down. I'm gonna try not to touch it so much. So I'm just kind of, because I didn't have a mirror in the shower, so I'm just gonna go just do a few touch-ups around the roots area just to make sure that, because I wanted to like lay down. Make sure it's not freezing.
And so this is what it looks like when it comes out. I didn't get a chance to show y'all in the shower, and I had to pour it out, and it comes out pretty easily. Okay, and I'm gonna let this air dry. So far, I do like what the product did. I'm not trying to touch it too much, but as you can see, it did a really good job with my curls. And I don't know if I fixed that part back there. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry throughout the day. And I will come back when it's hopefully completely dry today. I'm just kind of sleeking down my roots under there. Cause like I want this to be like flat look. I don't know, I always liked, you know, this look. Okay, so I'm not gonna touch it anymore. Other than fixing this. Let me try to fix this part a little bit while my hair is kind of still wet. I don't want to like mess with it too much. And if it is a part back there, as you can tell, I'm not one of those people who are like anal about like the hair, what the hair looks like, unless I pay for it. Now, if I pay for it, it better look a certain way. But it's not that big of a deal. It's just hair. So this is a wash and go. I did wash my hair. I did condition it. But as you can see, I did everything in the shower. I'm not really doing much out of the shower because, and the only reason I'm doing what I am doing is because I did not have a mirror in the shower. I haven't mounted one yet on the wall. And honestly, I couldn't see the camera. I was probably looking at the camera in the shower, but I couldn't see it because I'm blind as bat. So I can't see without my glasses on. But anyways, I really like this, y'all. I wish it could just like dry like this. But I know it's gonna like shrink up here. But I guess I could like put it in like bun it back up and let it dry that way and see what it does. I like this elongated look for this. I just know it is gonna shrink when it dries. I'm gonna bobby pin this down. I think I'm gonna keep it like this and just try to keep the hand and hair disease away from me. But I really like this. I really like this. Hopefully my hair doesn't dry with any like residue or anything. This is my first time using this product. And I'm gonna have a little frizz, I can tell. I've been playing with it already on the top. But yeah, I'm all done with my hair. I'm gonna go to work. It's like 7:40 and I work at 8. And I work from home, so I'm not necessarily leaving the house. Alright, y'all, so I will update y'all when I get back. Okay, so I am back. It is about 12 hours later. My hair was pretty much 100% dry, like after 6 to 8 hours, like probably about 7 hours, it was completely dry. And as you can see, my hair has shrunk a bit, not too much like I thought it would, because I thought it was gonna be up here. But it's actually, you know, shoulder length, which is fine. I do have a lot of shrinkage. My hair is very, it's like a soft hold. It's not really crunchy. Like there's like a really light hold to it. And I do have like some frizz here. Partially because I forgot I was gonna be wearing a headset whenever I was working, so when I kept putting it on, taking off when my hair was wet, and so it kind of frizzed up my hair just a little bit. But for the most part, I mean, I really like it. I mean, what do y'all think? I really like it. I really thought my hair was gonna look like a mushroom, but it actually doesn't. So that's good. I mean, I haven't fluffed it or anything. I'm not gonna fluff it. I'm gonna keep it like this because this is the look that I like. And yeah, kind of see what definition I have. This is my natural curl pattern and the Camille Curl Maker. I mean, it didn't really enhance it that much. It basically looked like, I washed my hair and didn't put anything on it. And this is what wash and go is supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like you washed your hair and went. But for us naturals, we have to put, hair product on our hair so that, we have some kind of definition and it's not like, dry and tangly. My hair, I mean, it's like my hair is not greasy or anything. I was gonna put some oil on top of this, and I may put some oil, but I don't plan to have my hair like this for that long. There is some shine to it, not a whole lot. I'm gonna see, how long it lasts like this. But I don't plan to keep my hair like this for that long. I plan to just do a pineapple like I did for my twist out video to preserve it. So bringing it all to the front. I can't really do it right now because I have these bobby pins in my hair. Because I remember I pinned it down to keep the roots flat. I do have some movement to it so it's not like stiff or anything. Just to give you an idea of how much shrinkage I have. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment if you've used Camille Rose products before, if you have done wash and go with these and how did your results come out. And let me know if you have any other video suggestions, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, so I wanted to come on here really quick and show you my next day results. It was okay in the end, but my hair was very dry. It felt like it had no moisture to it. So that's something you want to be mindful of because the products, the curl milk product is very light. It's not a heavy product, and so it doesn't provide a lot of moisture. And again, like I said, I just wanted to use the curl maker and the curling milk together just to see how it would work by itself, to be able to judge the product for itself. So just wanted to give y'all that little update.